This video is a tutorial on how to use the 4-channel 20A relay switch module. The demo setup includes our system power module, the smart gateway, and the 4-channel 20A relay switch module. First, we set the dip switches for the device. We set the device ID to ID1. Next, we used our bus connector to connect the gateway and the relay module together. Now we power on the system. As you can see, the device indicator lights are on. We use a network cable to connect the Internet port of the gateway to the computer. Now the gateway and the computer are directly connected. Double-click to run our editor software. We search for the gateway. Here is the IP address of our gateway. Now we import it into the project. Double-click the IP address to view the device and the gateway. Click Get Real-Time Status. Here we can see the firmware version and the online status. We can click the control buttons to control the circuits on or off, or toggle the status. Click Settings to enter the configuration page. Here we can set the interlock function. For example, we enable interlock for one circuit. After writing successfully, if we turn on circuit 1 and then turn on circuit 2, circuit 1 will automatically turn off. If we turn on circuit 1 again, circuit 2 will turn off. This is the circuit interlock function. If we do not need interlock, we can initialize the device. Now we move to the scene tutorial. Click the gateway IP address, then click Add. This is the scene number, which usually starts from 1. Below is the scene name. We can customize the name or select from the list. For example, we create an all-on scene. Click Add. This is scene 1. Inside scene 1, we add the device circuits. Select device 1, circuit 1, and set the action to on. Click the plus icon to automatically add all remaining circuits. All 4 circuits are now added. This is the all-on scene. Next, we create an all-off scene. We copy scene 1 and rename it to all-off. Now, scene 2 has the same 4 circuits. We only need to change the action from on to off. Left-click once, then drag to apply the same setting to all circuits. Now both all-on and all-off scenes are ready. If we want to test them, we can click Load to load all scenes into the system. After loading, click Call to trigger the scene. When all scenes and functions are completed, click Compile and Upload to upload the entire project to the gateway. This way, the project is backed up inside the gateway. Even if the project file is lost, we can read it back from the gateway. The downloaded program will not be lost. When the progress bar reaches 100%, the upload is completed. The gateway will restart. When the yellow indicator changes from flashing to steady on, it means the project has been successfully uploaded. Usually, it takes about 30 seconds.